Hello and welcome to another Solid Print unboxing video. Today we're all going bananas for the Peel 3 handheld scanner. Let's get it unboxed. Okay, so we've got a few bits just outside the main package. We can see a little safety notice sheet and we've got our power cable here. So that'll be useful for later when we're actually using it. With the box itself, we've got a little peel to open tab at the front. I'm just going to undo that. And that will allow us to get to the actual main box. So with the case, we'll just lift it off. And we can see straight away the Peel 3 scanner. So we've got the screen on the back and we've got a different kind of setup for the lights with the new Peel 3 compared to the previous scanners which use a white light technology. This now uses an infrared technology. We've got a nice ergonomic grip which allows us to hold it in different sort of orientations and with a bit more comfort. So that's really nice features there. It'd be great to get those in action. And we can see a little wrist strap to attach to the Peel scanner itself. We've got some positioning targets. These are 6mm targets, same as the Peel 2 scanner. And at the front we've got our calibration certificate. Leave that back in there. And we've got some cables. So this one here is our power adapter. So that'll plug into our power cable that we've got just there. And we've got our data cable here, which we can get various sizes of these now. So for any longer jobs, if you need a longer cable, we now provide different lengths that will hopefully be more suitable for whatever you're scanning. And yeah, that's pretty much the contents in the box. We've also got the calibration plate on top. Just pop this on here, just simply slots out. And we can see it's all there. So we just want to be careful we don't obviously touch this or move any of the dots. This is all factory calibrated. So we want to keep that nice and safe from the top there. Just put that back in packaging. So another additional purchase we can make with the scanner to keep it nice and safe is the rugged case. So we can open this up and see what it comes with. So we've got a little strap for the rugged case. So that'll be useful when we're wandering around with it. And we've got some little strips here of double-sided tape basically to stick in the packaging within the box. It's a really nice seamless integration between the two. So from straight out of the box, if you've got the rugged case, you can pop this very easily inside. I can show this very easily. Just dropping it in here. That's really snug fit. We can also take this top panel and we would stick this on to the top like that. So that all works really nicely. And we can close that all up and take that on site with us when we need to. So yeah, looks really good. We're going to get scanning with this as soon as possible and hopefully have some more content for you to see with the scanner in action. So stay tuned. Thank you for watching.